Good morning, everyone. So, in the last chapter, we learned about the animals. है ना? We learned about animals. How many types of animals are there? Some animals are big, some are small, some are very small, right? Where kinds of animals. We have learned about the kinds of animals. Animals who live in jungle are called wild animals, and animals which live with us are called pet animals, and some animals which we keep in farm are called farm animals. Yes, and we have learned about some animals and their homes also, like dog lives in kennel, and we put the fish in a special tank that is called aquarium. And one more thing we learn about them, caring of the animals. Yes, I have recapped it in a short way, this chapter. Now I'll ask some questions about this chapter to you all, and you have to answer me one by one. Okay? Yes? Now I'll ask from Arav. Unmute by your side and
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what are big animals? What are they?
Elephant,
Hmm?
zebra, giraffe,
Yes.
rhinoceros,
Rhinosaurs. Yes, they are big
rhinoceros,
animals. Why are they called big? Why are they called big animals? Why they are called big animals?
bolo.
Because their size is big. That's why. Simple. It's not complicated
Yes, ma'am.
answer. They are called big animals because they are big. That's why they are called big animals. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Alokik, unmute by your side.
Yes, ma'am.
What are wild animals?
Wild animals. Then lion,
Ah, yes.
lion, tiger, gi- lion, tiger, then zebra.
Yes. So why are they called wild animals? Do you know that?
मैम क्योंकि वो है ना
I want answer in
जंगल
English.
में रहते
I
हैं
want answer in English, Alokik. Try to answer in English. We are not learning Hindi. I want you to answer in English.
I live in forest.
Because they live in forest or they live in jungle. Why they live in jungle? Mute by your side. Arjun, unmute by your
Yes,
side.
ma'am.
Tell me why the wild animals live in jungle.
Because they eat other animals.
Very good. Because they eat other animals and they are very dangerous also. Either we can keep
Yes.
them in the zoo or we can leave them in the jungle only, because they are dangerous
Yes.
and they live on the other animals, है ना? They live on other animals. They make their prey other animals and they eat them. So if they will live with
Yes.
us, they will eat us. That's
Yes,
why
ma'am.
we don't keep them with us. Very
Yes.
very good answer. And good, you try to speak in English. Harsh, unmute by your side. What do we mean by
Good
farm
morning,
animal?
ma'am.
What do we mean by farm animal?
Live in farm animal. In farm. Live in farm.
Farm animals live in farm. That's why they are called farm animal. Yes? Why do they live in
Yes.
farm? Why do we keep them in farm?
क्यों रखते हैं उनको फार्म्स में? वो क्या देते हैं हमको? Because they give us egg milk और milk and
See, farm means क्या होता है? What is farm? Farm means the place where we grow something, right? Yes? Where we develop
yes.
something, where we get something from to eat. है ना? We can we you
Yes.
have you listen about the farmhouses. So what we do there, we keep some pets over there, we keep some farm animals over there, because they gives
Yes.
us milk also. Some farm animal gives us eggs, and some gives us meat, and some farm
Yes.
animals gives us wool also as well. So we keep them for our use, for our help. That's why we keep them in the farm. Yes, we make them do
Yes.
work also. Some farm animals like cow and buffalo are used in plowing the fields, as I showed you in the PPT. Yes,
Yes.
what do? They
Yes.
plow the field for the farmer, and then again farmer keep them in the farms. Yes, he feed
Yes.
them, he gives them food to eat, everything he do, but from apart that he takes his favor, the animal's favor farmer is taking, advantage of animal farmer is taking. That's why they are called farm animals.
Yes.
Hmm. Chitransh, unmute. What are pet animals? Chitransh. Devansh, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What are pet animals, Devansh?
Dog,
Yes.
cat,
Hmm.
parrot,
Hmm.
rabbit.
Hmm. Why are they called pet animals? Why are they called pet animals? Devansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Why they are called pet animals?
They are pets.
They are pet. Why? Why we keep them as a pet? Why won't we keep tiger as a pet? Why don't we keep zebra as a pet? Why we keep these animals
Ma'am,
only?
they are domestic
Yes, they are
animals.
domestic animal. Any more answer you can give? They are domestic animals, and they are very homely. What? Homely. Right? They are very familiar with us. They take care of us too. As we take care of them, they also take care of us. They also like to play with us. They give, they are as an entertainment sources for us. है ना? That's why we keep
Yes.
them with us. They don't harm us until and unless we hurt them. जब तक हम उनको मारते नहीं हैं या हम उनको टीज नहीं करते वो हमको हार्म नहीं करते हैं. if if we tease them then only they are in the type of harming. तभी वो हमको हार्म कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज दे वोंट हार्म अस. राइट.
Yes, ma'am.
Then there some water animals also we keep as a pet, like fishes. Some types of small fishes we keep in our home for the decoration. हम उससे हमें कोई हेल्प नहीं होती है बट वी कीप देम एज ए डेकोरेशन in an aquarium. It looks good. That's why we keep them over there. Yes, next we'll take Garv, unmute. How should we take care of an animal? How should we take care of an animal?
Woolen. Sheep, cow.
I'm asking हमको take care कैसी करनी है? How should we take care of the animal?
take care कैसे करना है?
Some eat food, water, vegetables.
No. What are you doing? What are you doing? You don't know the answer? That means you haven't read the chapter. Gunav, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
How can we take care of the animals?
We need to take care of animals because they take care of me.
What? They take care of?
We.
I am not getting your word. What are you saying at the last?
We.
We.
We
No.
मतलब अपन वो वाला भी.
Okay. No. This is not the taking care of the animal. Next, Hitarth. Hitarth, unmute. How can we take care of an animal?
We should never tease animals.
Yes.
We should not throw stones at animals on the
Road or in the zoo.
road or in the
नहीं अब ये बोलो.
Okay.
give.
See, listen. आप ऐसे भी बता सकते हैं कि आपको मन से बताना है. आपको बुक का रीड करके नहीं बताना है ना. हाउ कैन वी हेल्प आवर एनिमल्स? हाउ कैन वी टेक एनिमल केयर ऑफ एन एनिमल? आपको बुक का रीड करके नहीं बताना. यू कैन टेल व्हाट यू थिंक. आप सोचते हो वो बता सकते हो, है ना. हमको रीड करके नहीं बताना है सिर्फ कि हम कैसे टेक केयर कर सकते हैं उनकी.
बताओ. We give them fresh food and water.
We give and fresh food and water.
We can give them food, we can give them water. And suppose if any animal is injured, है ना, injured means उसके लग गई है, किसी से उसको खा लिया है, तो we can call an veterinary doctor. वेटनरी डॉक्टर वो डॉक्टर होते हैं जो एनिमल्स का इलाज करते हैं, who take care of animals. If some dog is or some cat is, or you can say any animal like cow, buffalo, if that animal is not feeling well, or that animal is hurt, or that animal has some diseases, so we take them to the veterinary doctor. हम उनको वेटरनरी डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाते हैं, and then the veterinary doctor take cares of that animal. They have a different hospital, जैसे हमारे हॉस्पिटल होते हैं ना, similarly dogs and pets, pet animals के भी हॉस्पिटल्स होते हैं. जैसे हमें ड्रिप चढ़ती है उनको भी ड्रिप चढ़ती है. They also have to take the medicines. So जब हम उनकी इस तरह से केयर करते हैं तो हम उसको केयरिंग बोलेंगे ना. हम उनका इलाज करा रहे हैं, हम उनको खाना पानी, हम जिस उसको वेसल के अंदर उसको खाना देते हैं, उसको क्लीन करना है. हम आपने देखा होगा हम दाना डालते हैं, चिड़िया को डालते हैं ना दाना, पानी रखते हैं भर के. पानी क्यों रखते हैं हम? एक मिट्टी के बर्तन में पानी भर के रखते हैं चिड़ियाओं के लिए गर्मी में, बिकॉज दे फील थर्स्टी एंड वी टेक केयर इन दीज वेज. हम केयरिंग किसी भी तरीके से कर सकते हैं एनिमल की, है ना, राइट? हमने अगर पतंग नहीं उड़ाई है तो भी हम केयर कर रहे हैं एनिमल की, ताकि उनकी गर्दन न कटे. सो these are the ways we can take the care of animal. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
तो इन तरीकों से हम एक एनिमल की केयर कर सकते हैं, हमको अच्छे से ट्रीट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. और हम बात कर सकते हैं उन एनिमल्स की जो हमारे साथ रहते हैं, उनको तो डॉक्टर की हेल्प मिल जाती है. बट जो एनिमल्स जंगल में होते हैं, क्या उनकी हम हेल्प कर सकते हैं? नहीं कर सकते, है ना. उन एनिमल्स की ना तो हम केयर कर सकते हैं, ना हम उनकी हेल्प कर सकते हैं. काव्या अनम्यूट. काव्या अनम्यूट.
Yes, ma'am.
Kavya, tell me animal that gives us milk.
Ma'am, cow.
Cow. Animal that gives us milk is cow also, buffalo also, goat also, है ना. गोट का भी दूध हम पीते थे, गाय का पीते हैं और भैंस का भी पीते हैं, है ना. तो ये तीनों एनिमल्स मिल्क देते हैं, ठीक है. ये तीनों एनिमल्स क्या देते हैं? मिल्क देते हैं.
Milk.
यस. अच्छा, काऊ को हम बिग एनिमल बोलेंगे या स्मॉल एनिमल बोलेंगे?
Ma'am, big animal.
बिग एनिमल बोलेंगे. ओके. देन वी हैव मान्या अनम्यूट.
Yes, ma'am.
मान्या, टेल मी एनिमल्स दैट गिव्स अस एग.
Hen.
और
Pigeon.
हमको एग डक्स, है ना, डक एंड hen. डक एंड हैन, जो हमें दे सकते हैं, है ना? ओके, नेक्स्ट पार्थ, अनम्यूट. Animal that gives
Yes, ma'am.
us wool.
मैम फिर से बोलो तो.
Animals that gives us wool.
मैम मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
Wool, WOOL, wool. आपको वूल किससे मिलती है?
मैम शीप.
देन वही तो मैं पूछ रही हूँ, हमको वूल कौन सा एनिमल दे सकता है? वूल शीप से मिलती है. यस. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट इज we who unmute.
Yes, मैम.
Meat. Where do we get meat from?
मिल्क.
Huh?
एग.
Meat.
गोट.
We get meat from goat and other animals like
गोट एंड hen.
okay, hen also, goat also, or
फिश.
fish. Very good. Next, Pranav, unmute.
यस मैम.
Where name any two wild animals, or you can say four wild animals. Name any four wild animals.
टाइगर,
Hmm.
lion, elephant and giraffe.
Very good. Tiger, elephant, lion, and giraffe. Yes. Priyavardhan, unmute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Name any four farm animals.
कौन से एनिमल की पूछ रही हूँ मैम?
I want you to ask in English only and please answer in English only. I want you to ask your question in English. I am asking about farm animals. Name any four farm animals.
कुछ रिपीट कीजिए आंसर क्वेश्चन. फार्म एनिमल्स का क्वेश्चन.
Goat.
And I'm asking four. Give me four.
Man goat.
फोर एनिमल्स की नेम.
I'm asking name of four animals, not only one.
Tiger.
फार्म एनिमल्स का पूछा है.
Doggy.
Doggy is not an animal. डॉग इज एन एनिमल. डॉगी नेम से कोई एनिमल नहीं होता
मैम
है.
की आवाज नहीं आ रही.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही मेरे को.
DOGGI is not an animal. Dog is an animal.
आवाज.
मैम मेरे को आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. आना. काऊ.
Unmute.
एक और.
रूहान.
यस मैम.
प्रियवर्धन को मेरी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है, तब तक आप आंसर दे दो बेटा.
आवाज नहीं आ रही. क्वेश्चन पूछिए मैम से, वापस क्वेश्चन पूछिए.
कैन यू आंसर मी? नेम 4 पेट एनिमल्स.
पेट एनिमल्स.
hen hen rabbit, dog,
A hen is not a pet animal. Hen is a farm animal, है ना?
और क्या पालते हैं हम? और क्या पालते हैं?
You can say turtle. आप पालते हो, उसका नाम ले सकते हो. Rabbit you keep it at home. Dog you keep at home. Cat you keep at home. Right? Fishes you keep at home. Parrot you keep at home. Yes?
पैरेट भी पालते हैं बेटा.
So these are the animals जो हम हमारे पास हमारे एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए रखते हैं. तो वो पेट एनिमल्स होते हैं. और जिनसे हम काम लेते हैं, जिनका हम यूज़ लेते हैं, वो क्या कहलाते हैं?
farm
फार्म
animals.
एनिमल्स कहलाते हैं. तो डिफरेंस है ना दोनों चीज़ों में? है डिफरेंस?
Yes ma'am.
तो इस चीज़ को ध्यान रखना है कि पेट एनिमल, हाँ, अगर मैं डोमेस्टिक एनिमल बात करूँगी तो उसमें फार्म एनिमल और पेट एनिमल दोनों आ जाएंगे. ठीक है? अगर मैं डोमेस्टिक एनिमल की बात करती हूँ तो उसमें फार्म एनिमल और पेट एनिमल दोनों आ जाएंगे. और वाइल्ड एनिमल्स की तो कैटेगरी ऑलरेडी अलग होती है ना? यस और नो?
Yes ma'am.
How farm animals are useful to us? Next, फार्म एनिमल्स हमारे यूज़फुल कैसे होते हैं? सानवी. How are farm animals useful to us?
Yes ma'am.
How are farm animal useful to us?
Ma'am, cow and goat, cow and sheep.
मैंने क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा, आपने सुना बेटा? Haven't you heard the question? What I spoke? The question was, how are farm animals useful? Okay.
Ma'am, milk,
Hmm.
milk, and
Okay. ठीक है.
wool.
You tried very good. Yes, it is correct. But I need full answer. Shivanya, unmute and give me the full answer. How are farm animal useful?
इंग्लिश में
Yes, ma'am.
How are farm animal useful?
बताओ हार्म एनिमल्स यूजफुल कैसे? ऊपर देखिए मैम को देखिए. हाँ.
We
How are farm animals useful? Because
because
they give us.
they gave us
बोलो बोलो.
meat, milk, eggs, and wool.
पूरा आंसर वापस बोलो. Because they give us. पूरा बोलो.
Because they gives us milk, egg,
Milk
meat and wool. They are
And wool.
useful because they give some or the other thing to us. हमको कुछ न कुछ देते हैं इसलिए वो हमारे लिए यूजफुल है.
Useful.
वृंदा अनम्यूट.
अच्छा से आंसर बोला करना. अभी तो पढ़ा ना.
Where we can find the wild animals? Where the wild animals are found?
wild animals
Are found
in
jungles या forest.
jungle
Yes.
and forest.
Or forest. You know, jungle and forest are the same one is the same thing. Wild animals are found in jungle or forest. या तो जंगल में मिलते हैं हमें या फिर फॉरेस्ट में मिलते हैं ना.
Forest.
Sorry. So I think this chapter is done. ये पूरा अच्छे से हो चुका है. Everything is clear in this chapter. All the concepts are clear in this chapter. If you have any question, 2 minutes are left. You can raise your hand and ask me. Otherwise, we will take new chapter from the Monday. Next week, we will start new chapter. Tuesday से. ठीक है. Monday, Tuesday हम नया chapter start कर लेंगे. So, you have any queries? Do you have any doubts? You can ask.